viewers and my subscribers, welcome back to another episode of Jamaican Farmers Hut. It's all about inside the early morning here, up on the farm, make one and two chat. See? So yes, my viewers and my subscribers, blessed good morning to you. Yeah man, I want to make Jamaican Farmers Hut, alright? So big up on yourself. Stay tuned, stick and stay to see what's coming. Alright? Up on the farm, give the people them some water. You don't know. It's all about farming. It's a farming revolution. Jamaican Farmers Hut. Stick and stay. Yes, my viewers and my subscribers, beautiful good morning to you all. You don't know, it's all about on the outskirts of the farm. As you can see, there's a lot of grass grow up here. Yeah, as you can see, the hydroponic system full of grass. Yeah, it's been a while since coming around here. Yeah, but as you can see, half of the place is sprayed. You know, planning to spray the next half. So yes, my viewers, just a sneak preview of this side of the farm. Yeah, yeah man. So yes, my viewers. Look here, my viewers. As you can see, there's a lot of Spanish nigger here. Wow, and I don't have any rabbit. Don't have any rabbit, my viewers. It's a lot of Spanish nigger here. Yeah, man. Yeah. A lot of Spanish nigger, my viewers. Yes, my viewers. Don't know it's all about Jamaican Farmers Hut. Don't forget to like, share, and to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to see the next video coming out. Yeah. Alright. I'm gonna go around to the other side. Show you what's going on around there. But yes, this side of the farm is in wilderness. But very soon it's gonna spray down all these guinea grass. Yeah, we're gonna spray them down. You know, get the farm clear up. Alright. As you can see in my hand here, if anyone should know, these are some pumpkin seeds. And as you can see here, a root of pumpkin is here. Wow. Stretching away, and we have pumpkin here, you know. We have pumpkin here. It's all about farming, you know. We have pumpkin here. We don't play around. You know what I mean? We don't play around. We have pumpkin on this one here. Pumpkin is out on this vine here. Here we have our next vine down here also running around that side. Yeah, we have one running here. Yeah. And we have one stretching across the causeway. Whoa! Tell you, man. We have one over here. Look on this one. This pumpkin vine busting through this plant here. Yeah. As you can see, we're waiting for some rain to fall. You know, the water is very low inside here, so we're waiting on some rain to fall, alright? Yeah, man. Yeah, hope the good Lord send me some rain before the weekend. Although today is Saturday, you know, the last day in the week. But we're still hoping and praying for some rain. Because as you can see, the pump, and give you a zoom in. Yeah, the water is very low, the pump is very high. Yeah, so we're hoping we get some rain today. See, and if the water is too low, the valve is gonna turn off for the pump. Alright, but anyway, right now I'm pumping some water back up to the tank. Yeah, I have to fill that tank to get some water inside of the tank to do some watering. Yeah, I can stay here and hear the pump running and hear the water is dropping inside the drum. Yeah. So yes, my beautiful people, the butt files. Yeah man, love and appreciation to you guys, the butt files. Yeah, give you a sneak preview of inside. Always come and leave the key, you know. Always come and leave the key, my people, but give you a view of inside. Yeah, give you a little view of inside. Yeah. Blossom. There are a lot of blossom inside there. Pepper is inside there also. Yeah, and if you look very closely, we have ripe pepper right here. We have ripe pepper right here. Yeah. Yeah man, we have ripe pepper right here if we look very closely. So yeah, something is going on inside here. But I'm about to give them some water. Alright, my viewers. You hear the water running inside here? You hear the water come from the catchment into this 2-inch pipe. And up. You hear the water running? Yeah. Loud and clear. Alright, as you can see now, the line is on. Because I never turned it off yet. But now I'm going to turn it off. Wait for the drum to full. Then I'm going to clean the filter. I'm going to pull out the filter. And I'm going to use this teeth brush here. And clean the filter inside. Put it back in. And get it ready to filter again. Yeah man. So this line go back right back to the greenhouse. Seeing? Yes, I. Alright. I'm going to give you guys a view at this part here of the farm. This part was sprayed. Yeah. This part was sprayed. As I said before, when it comes to farming, it's all about we have to plant something. If we're not planting nothing, we ain't going on. We ain't doing nothing. Let me show you ripe pepper. See that? Ripe pepper is inside here. Yeah, so it's all about we're getting ripe to, you know, go to the harvest. Yeah. So right about now, this is the back of the greenhouse. Yeah, so when the sun is up in the morning, the shade is around here. So I come around here this morning to bore 2 hole, dig 2 hole. Yeah, as I said before, could be 3 hole, but come to plant something here. I don't play with farming, you know. Worse when I see the soil so beautiful, you know. Yeah. Yeah man. Put 4 seed inside there because 1 might out or 2 might out. Yeah. Have to plant something, the people. If we don't plant something, not gonna have any use for ourselves. We have to plant something. Alright. No one can tell what's gonna happen. So this is the back of the greenhouse. Yeah, this is the back of the greenhouse. Yeah. Looking lovely, don't it? Alright, dropping some water on them at this time. It's very early, but giving them some water, you know what I mean? Yeah. Yes, my viewers. Yard food, big up yourself. The amazing M&G, what's going on? Good morning. Yeah. As you can see, I'm back at the next end of the farm. Looking lovely, don't it? Yeah, have some high grass there and here and there, but trust me, the beautiful sunset. Yeah, not sunset, the sunrise. The rising of the sun. Yes, my beautiful people. Jamaican farmers hut. Alright, I'm gonna chat back this side. So we try to clean the outside of the farm. get rid of all these grasses. You know what I mean? Yeah, get rid of all these grasses from the side of the farm. So this was one of the greenhouses that the breeze, that heavy breeze and rain the last time take down. So we're planning to move it, put it over to the other side where I'm coming from. Over there is much clearer. Yeah. So yes, my viewers, as you can see, around here is dried, but right here I have some green patch of grass. So what we have to do now, just go through and draw those green grass out. Yeah, too whited is here, very green. Simply mean the spray never catch them. My viewers, look inside. There's a lot of pepper inside there. There's a lot of pepper inside here, my friend. Yeah. It's all about my Trini friend. Yeah, man. Back at the front of the farm now. So yes, my viewers are my subscribers. Yeah. It's all about farming, my people. You can see the hillside over there is very clean. Yeah, the guy clean it down. Yeah. But over this side is very bushy. You know what I mean? But yeah, man, when it comes to Chillan, it's all about a farming area. Yeah, it's a farming revolution. Yeah. So this 650 gallon tank, yeah, 2,460 liters of water. After I get this full, I'm gonna gravity fed the water back to the peppers. That's what I'm saying. So yes, my viewers and my subscribers, it's all about Jamaican farmers. It's all about farming. Just giving you guys a sneak preview what's going on early in the morning on the farm, you know what I mean? And late in the evening again, I'm gonna do the same thing. Yeah, because the pepper is now getting ripe. Blossom is coming out. Them just started to put out blossom, started to get ripe, so you don't know, them need a lot of water. Seeing? So yes, my viewers and my subscribers, one love. Yeah, man, and much love to everyone. Big up on yourself, yeah? Peace.